Hey guys, I'm Jason7 here. I had some complications with Bandicam, so let's get back to Tornado Survival. I added, you can see I added the texture pack. It finally worked, and so it's, yeah, it's good. So in the last episode, we technically did the farm and we did the mushrooms. If you guys like this texture pack, tell me and I can keep on doing it. If you guys don't, then I'll get rid of it. Maybe, oh gosh, I forgot. Yeah, I had some mods, and you guys will probably know when I get out of the double jump and you get to this fishy and kill the fishy. Now I have the fish, and oh my gosh, you guys okay? He's okay. No, you're not. Just gonna grab some of that. Oh yeah, this is what the channel went through. If you guys didn't see that episode, go see that episode. It's pretty. How you do? It's pretty good. I hate that. I'm still thinking about getting the thing, mod thing. Yeah. Okay. I just keep it going along the shore. See if I can get any more fish. I guess I'm not. Okay. Oh, here's a fish. Hello, fishy. Hello. Hello. Oh, you little lucky fish. 7 more fish. Yay. Shark teeth. Ooh. I have no idea what I can do with shark teeth. I mean, if I can eat it. And I can stab people with it. Where is that chicken? Or something. Ooh, some chicken. Oh, I thought I just fell for a second like that. Oh, alright. I think it's getting dark. I think. Yeah. But, no. Let's go back in the house. It's gonna kind of. Ooh, what is that? Is that the moon? Dang, it's big. Oh, it's too big. Way too big. That is a big. Hey, look, a surfboard. Oh, the doors look cool. Oh, my bed looks the same. Ooh, the chest looks cool. Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, steak. Anything in here? Ooh. That's it. Oh, no, I want that. Oh, we got some steak. Steak. Oh, shoot. Wait, what? Steak. There we go. Alright, let's go back to bed. Oh, you can see by the thing, it says, wait, you see that thing? Yeah, I have the furniture mod. I'm gonna try to make some stuff. I'm gonna try to get, like, the not enough items mod so I can see how to make it. Because I don't know how to make it. So, the mushrooms. Oh, it looks like it has moss on it. Well, stop getting distracted and hear something in the background and let's jump in this pool of water. Yeah. Sheepy, 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 sheepy. Ooh, what's that? I think that's coal. Oh yeah, I forgot the oars were. Oh, the oars were different. So sorry for the background noise. My birds, the chirping so loud. There's nothing down there. I'm just kind of scared to see. Oh, that's coal. I think. Oh. Ooh, what's that? Is that redstone? I cannot be redstone. Ooh, what's on there? Oh, I think that's iron. Oh, I don't have a pick. Oh yeah, I do. What's that? Iron. Okay. And that's, this is, and that is this. What is this? Is this cobblestone? That's, I don't know. There's more iron down there. Wait, what am I putting on? No, okay. Let's go. Oh, cool. It's good to go. Ooh, look, the particles. Particles look so cool. Don't mind this. Oh, no, we don't. Let's get out of here. Okay. Just gonna look around here a little bit. And let's go back up. So, ooh, what is that? Hello. Who are you? I think it's a cat. Oh gosh, he looks. Oh god. He deserved to die. Oh, I did not need to see that. Oh my god, they look so weird. They look. Oh my gosh, they look so weird. Oh, great. I wonder what sheep looks like. Oh, it looks so nasty. Oh. Ooh, sugarcane. Can we use that? Kill another cow, because I don't like them anymore. Not with this texture, but oh, there you are. Die. Here's where the tornado went through. Ooh. What's over here? More cows. You get away. Sorry for my voice. Oh, here's cows. Even more cows. Oh, what was that? Oh. No sheep. No sheep. They're just cows. Come on, I suspect more sheep. Oh, let's go back. Killing cows in the way, and yeah. Oh. What is that? I think there's like gravel. I don't know. I knew it was gravel. I knew it. Alright. Head back. Where would sheep likely be? I don't know. I know you guys are suspecting a tornado or something, but I don't know why, but one time I waited for like a week with like, I played every day. I waited a week and actually a tornado spawned legit. I was like so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, it spawned legit for once. But I was like, well, it takes like a week. Dang, the waves are getting high. I didn't even do that. Look at it. Whoa. Dang. One must be picking up. Oh, let's go back to our house. I have no idea where sheep will be. They won't be in the jungle. They probably won't be in the swamp. Wait. This is a swamp biome. And have the more creatures mod. What do you think would be in a swamp biome? You guys guessed it? A crocodile. Hello? Stupid bees. Hello?